7.10 Two-way branching using if-else. Simple if. Simple if is one-way branching. One-way branching. One-way branching means if condition is true, do it. It does not talk anything about condition is false. You go by bus. You go by bus. That you are telling. If bus does not come or bus misses, you are not telling anything. So, in real time, actually, some condition we put, and the condition is false also, we have to tell. Now, suppose this is straight way. This is your home. This is your college. Straightly you are going. And police people put a condition here, a board, that is entry or no entry. Suppose entry, okay, entry, go straight. But no entry, also they should specify what to do. In case of if, what we are doing, only one way. If entry, go straight. No entry, we are not talking. If no entry, you take a diversion. So, this is entry, you go straight. No entry, you take diversion. Like that, in real life, we have to define conditions, define statements for condition is true and condition is false. This can be represented like this graphically in a flowchart. It is described like this. This is the condition. Condition is true. Condition is true. Condition is false. Now, condition is true, this set of statements. Condition is false, this set of statements. In this way, we write. Now, just two examples I give you. And the condition is working day. Working day for the college. Working day for the college is true. That means college is a working day. Then, this is your program. You have to implement this program. Your daily routine is like this. And condition is false. That means holiday for the college. Then your program is like this. Understand? This is the way this is called. Now see, earlier one branch, now two branches. This is one branch, this is another branch. That's why it is called two-way branching. And one more case, which is relating to calculation, I tell you. And net salary is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs. Net salary is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs. Then 10% of net salary is deducted for IT, income tax. If net salary is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs, 10% of income, 10% of the net salary is deducted as IT. Next, it is false. That means, what do you mean by false? Then, net salary is less than 2 lakhs. IT is 0. This is the way. This is in real life. We frequently define when the condition is false. If condition is true, definitely we define. Condition is false also, what should you do? You should tell. The police people put a board here. If it is no entry, they should specify what is how to divert. Also, they should specify. So, for this purpose, if else. Now, simply if we have seen. Now, if else. For if we have to write condition and here else. And you write like this. If here condition you write and here the corresponding statements you write and else the corresponding statements you write. What things you have to observe? After if, you should not write semicolon. Here you write condition. The condition should be either a relational expression or logical expression. Nothing else. no time, use assignment operator. Use assignment operator. Statement block already I explained to you. Statement block is applicable to if and else. That means if and else are applicable to only one statement by default. If you want to put more than one statement, you have to create a block. If you write one statement or more statements also, you write blocks like this, opening brace, closing brace. This is called if block. This is called else block. So hereafter I don't talk about this issue. Every time, even one statement is there also, you write block, it improves readability. Otherwise, what are the anomalies already explained in the statement block concept, previous concept I explained. So one statement or more statements are there. You create a block. This is if block. This is else block. Here also you should not write semicolon. You cannot find any semicolon. Only if you find semicolons after these statements, inside statements. Whatever are the blocks. Now you see the syntax here, 404. Here, if gross salary is greater than or equal to 2 lakh, within the body what we are writing, IT is 0.1. 0.1 means 10%. 10% and into gross salary. And else means less than 2 lakh rupees and IT is 0. In this manner, we use this if else statement. If else is very frequently used because two-way branching. Simply putting a condition, and if it is true, do it. If it is false, if you don't tell and all that, it creates problems. So, in real world, we tell alternative course of action. A bus, go to college by bus. If bus is not available, bus misses, go by auto. Like that, alternative course of action you should specify. For this purpose, the two-way branching, this second selection control structure, if else is provided, it is very frequently used in our programs.